Students, you are learning circle, and then you must have gone through the previous video. The video, what it was not for class 6 standard, but it's a common video where from you will get the conception on circle. See, I have talked to you about different aspects of circle. What is the center of a circle? What do you understand by circle? That is also there. It's a geometrical plane figure, and all the point on it should be in the equidistance from a point called center. From center, all the points on its circumference should be on equal distance, that is equidistant. That is what I have discussed all these things. Now, see children, if you have gone through the video, you have got about the conception of center, you have got about the conception of the circumference, you know what is called diameter of a circle, what is radius of it, then what do you understand by arc, and then semicircle. You must know semicircle means half of the circle, only the boundary part, the arc half portion. The diameter, if it is connected, then that is semicircular region, that means semicircle with the diameter. Could you understand? Then you have learnt about secant, tangent, sector and segment. Sector means when the two radii make the two parts of the circle, each part will be sector. Okay, and segment means when a chord of the circle will divide the circle into two halves, that will become the segment, that part. You understand all these things. Now I will be talking to you, discussing with the exercise so that what knowledge you have gained through the previous video, that can be implemented. Now, first of all, question number 1 is said to you, P is a point on a circle, radius 4.8 centimeters. See, radius of a circle you must know. Radius means the length from center to the circumference, that particular part. This is 4.8, it is 4.8 centimeter. Now, O is the center, then what will be the length of the OP? So here is O and P is on the circle. See, on the circle means on the circumference. Here the B point is on the circle, this point is on the circle, this point, like this P is. So what it is said to you, a circle of this much radius, suppose a circle of say about 4.8 centimeter radius. Say this is the circle, from center the radius is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so here is the O is the center and this is P. So length of OP will become 4.8 centimeter, only line segment OP. That is what is question number 1. I will be talking to you about question number 2. I have drawn a circle roughly. See, I don't have pair of compass at home right now, so I have drawn with hand only. See, what is the question given to you? C is the center of the circle, radius 5.6. How will you draw the circle? First you will draw a radius is said to you, that you draw the line segment. Okay, first then take your compass, then put a center of the circle, put the rigid one, means the pointed part of the compass, and that take the radius of the radius in the pair of compass. Then from the center you just rotate, you will be able to find the circle of that much radius. So 4.8 is the line segment you have drawn. From this 5.8, the from center you have put 5.8 and you have rotated this. You will get 5.8 centimeter radius. So 5.8 centimeter radius. A and B are the 2 points. See 5.8 centimeter radius. This is 5.8 centimeter. What is said to you? A, B are 2 points on the circle. I said to on the circle A. On the circle A. Suppose A is here. On the circle means on the circumference. And B such that A, B, C as collinear. Collinear means what? On a line, 3 or more points lie. So A, C already got, and B also should be in the line. So you have to draw a line. See, B will be here only, so that B, C, A are collinear. Got it? So A, B, C are collinear now. Now find the distance of A and B. A and B. A and B. This is 5.5. This is 5.8. This is 5.8. Therefore, AB should be
AB is equal to AC plus BC. AC is equal to 5.8 and radius always will be same 5.8. If you add this two, you will find 5.6. Sorry, 5.6 is said to you, 5.6 centimeter, 5.6. So this string will be 5.6 plus 5.6. So it will be how much? It will be it will go one decimal place. So it will become how much? 6, 12, and then 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11, 100, this one plus 2. It will be on addition. It will go how many? It will go 11.2 centimeter. Isn't it? So 11.2 centimeter. Can you tell me what is AB? AB is the diameter, double of that. So 11.2 centimeter will be, after one decimal place I have put a point. So 11.2 centimeter will be the answer. Could you understand? That is the diameter actually. AB is the diameter. See, AC is the radius, BC also is the radius. Could you understand? Now question number 3, it is said to you, very simple questions are there. A circle is given to you. I have drawn that circle. And here you have to find out, first is line segment PQ is a line segment PQ. PQ is a chord. You know, on the circle 2 points, if it is connected by line segment, that particular line segment is called the chord of the circle. CHORD. PQ is a chord. Could you understand? Now the portion AB of the circle is a dash of circle. AB is this is the portion. What? This portion AB should be arc of the circle. This will be arc. ARC. AB is a portion, is the arc of the circle. Now, third one, see the shaded portion of the circular region bounded by the line segment PQ. Bounded by the line segment PQ. When a line segment is making the circle in two halves, that particular part of the circle will be the segment of the circle. This is the sector. This is a segment. A chord makes segment and radius make sector. Mind it, two radii, radius plural is radii. Two radii can make a sector, but one chord can make a circle into segments. So it is a segment. So the third answer will be segment. You understand all this thing? I have talked to you through the previous video and you got the conception. The fourth one, the length of line segment OM. Length of line segment OM. OM will be what? If the radius of the circle is given to you, you'll have to measure the length of the line segment. That will be that length is called, the length of line segment OM is the radius. This OM is the radius. It will be. So answer will be radius. Isn't it? And then OM and OL are the radius. The shaded portion OLM. OLM shaded portion will be what? This will be sector. These are the basic of circle. You understand all these things. Now moving on to question number 4. I have drawn once again the question number 4. The figure, the circle I have drawn. O is the center. AB is the diameter. Isn't it? Now let us answer the question. The line segment AB is called the diameter. Is it not the diameter? Yes, it is the diameter of the circle. So line segment AB is the diameter. Diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. Now, what the arc AB of the circle is what? Arc AB of the circle is semicircle because it has covered the half of the circle. So semicircle. You see AB, this arc, this complete arc is a semicircle, half of the circle. Semicircle. Now, then line CD is called what? Line CD. This line, a line when it is crossing a circle and touching on 2 points of the circle. A line, 2 points of the circle, this point and this point. This is a secant. So line CD is a secant. What is the spelling? S-A-C-A-N-T. Secant of the circle. And then line PQ. PQC it has touched only one point, that is C point. If a line touch only one point on the circle, that line is called tangent. I have said to you in the previous video, T-A-N-G-E-N-T, and tangent always will form with the center a 90 degree. If you draw a line segment, this will be 90 degree, this will be 90 degree. From the center to this line, if you draw a line, this point where it is touching, it will form 90 degree both the side. So it's a tangent. I hope you have understood it. Now moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 said to you, describe the location of A, B, C in respect to the circle. A, B, C. A inside the circle. A inside the circle. Interior of the circle, it will be better. You write down interior. Interior of the circle. B on the circle, it will be on the circle. And C will be exterior of the circle. Got it? Now what you have to answer? See, the point dash is the point of the circle. O is the point of circle. Point. The point dash is on the circle. Which one is on the circle? B is on the circle. B is on the circle. B is on the circle. Isn't it? B will be on the circle. And then see interior of the circle. That I have said all the things, it is not required. Point C is and the point of the circle. Point C is exterior of the circle. Isn't it? Exterior of the circle. I have already said exterior of the circle. Already I have written this. Okay. Now you got to construct the circle. I said to you, suppose question number 6.2 I have taken, where the diameter, either you should know the diameter, that will divide it by 2, and whatever the measurement you will get, that one you will measure with the help of that line you draw. Suppose 5.6 diameter. How much? 5.6 it is. Dia 5.6. So radius will be how much? Radius is always the half of the diameter, and twice the radius is the diameter. So radius is half of the diameter. 5.6 divided by 2 centimeter, which is equal to 2.8 centimeter. So you will draw 2.8 one of the line. Okay, take that one as a radius, and then you will rotate with the help of your compass, and you will find a circle. It will be 2.8 centimeter. This way you are supposed to draw. Could you understand? So the circle is a very easy lesson. If you just go through once, you will be able to understand. Try to construct some of the circle, and then doubt if any, talk to me.